here today at First Family Dental at 120 East Lake Street for the official ribbon cutting and opening. Dr. Aboud, Mayor Veenstra, and Dr. Joseph
Akikar.
Please, on the count of three, Mayor.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Addison. Okay, and you have.
Hi. On behalf of the Addison Chamber of Commerce, we welcome you to the community. We are excited about all the goals that you have set for this community, and you're going to be a wonderful asset.
Mayor, you have a few welcoming words for us?
Yeah, definitely. We've done a quick tour, and we're going to do another one for the viewers, but the facility you've got here is just gorgeous, and the programs that you're talking about to enhance the living conditions of our community and some of the job programs you're talking about are going to be a great asset. So we're just very thrilled to be welcoming you into Addison, and you're going to become one of our Addison advantages. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now, Mayor, are we ready for the tour? Okay, this is really an exciting and unique type of dental facility. So, Dr. Aboud, are you going to take us on the tour, or Dr. Joseph, are you both going to take us on a tour?
Yes.
Wonderful.
We'll be happy to.
Thank you.
This is the waiting area where we have a very welcoming place. We try to make it warm, keep it away from dentistry, and make it as relaxing as possible and welcoming. So
It's very welcoming, it's very bright, it's very airy and open looking.
Yeah.
And this is just the reception area.
exactly, we have more to come, better stuff.
And how many dentists, Dr. Aboud, will be working out of this facility?
We have about 6 dentists would be working. Some of them are here. Myself, Dr. Ghassan Aboud, my lovely wife, Dr. Sandy Murad, and our great partner, Dr. Joseph Akikar. And there's a few more that they bring a specialty that does not exist in Addison currently, and we will bring the best specialists in the industry to this location.
So it's not just the dentistry. You have orthodontics. You have everything that a person needs here at this facility, correct?
Yes, we have a full-service dental facility where it's A to Z. You walk in, you don't need to go anywhere. We'll make sure your services are all covered, from a child to an adult, from implant to orthodontics. So it's a one-stop shop, and we make sure you get the best service available. We are one of the very few companies that will offer warranty on all our dental work.
Wow.
So anything you have done here, we stand behind our work today, tomorrow, a year, 5 years from now. So you don't need to worry about spending the same amount of money again. If we did something that did not work, we'll make sure it's done right the next time, or a second time, or a third time, whatever it takes.
Now, is this your only facility, or are there other facilities in the area?
In Addison, this is our only facility in Addison. We have 15 locations in the city and suburb. And what we do when we go into a new city, we want to be part of the community. We want to be part of your effort to improve this community. We're not here only to do business. We're here to make sure this community are better with us in it. We walk in, we want to lift the community with the way we lift our business. So that's why we appreciate you coming here, introducing us to Addison, to the community of Addison, because we want to be good citizens, we want to be a contributor into the success of this town.
Well, I'll tell you, it's a beautiful facility, and so far the staff is very, very accommodating. I don't know about after they're in the chair whether we're going to be so thrilled, but you have a lot of the new and more innovative type of dentistry here.
Sure, we do. You know, we do most of aspect of dentistry. We take care of kids, teenagers, adult, the whole family. That's why we're First Family. And we like to make them feel home. We take care of our community. We want to be part of the community and to give and take and feel like a family.
Well, it certainly has that very welcoming appeal when you walk in. Dentist's office are kind of sometimes very scary, but you kind of make it very bright, airy, more of a relaxing environment, which you said as we cut the ribbon.
Actually, we'd like to add one thing. We owe it to our customers to deliver the best service and the latest equipment. So we are the company that bring in the latest technology into the industry. So we owe it to you that whenever you come in here, you make sure you get the best service and the best technology available for anybody. And that's what our trademark is. We tell them anybody can copy what we do today, but they can never copy what we do tomorrow, because we will be more creative than anybody else. We will make sure you get the best service wherever you go.
Well, I have to say, it's very innovative okay, there are patients coming in. There's patients coming in with children, with little children. You have a children's room. So it's just not the dentistry. You know your child is in the same area that you are. The door is monitored, it's locked, so the child isn't going to be going very far away, and it's a playroom for them. So you're in the dentist chair with a little more relaxed feeling.
Yes, we like to take the stress of crying kids away from the parents. We give them a very nice playroom where they can be relaxed. It's not stressful for the parent to have their teeth done and the kids crying next to them because they're afraid something is happening to their parents.
Exactly. And the better part is you know where your child is. They're here in the same environment that you are, and they're not going to be running down a flight of stairs or out a door. It's all there and monitored.
It's all security monitored with live cameras, so anything happen to your child, we're definitely responsible. So we'll make sure nothing happen. We have kids, and we worry about them, and we want to make sure they get the best service. They're not crying. Have you heard any kids crying so far?
No, because there's a playroom and they've got a TV with video footage. Well, now they have them CDs and flash drives, but there's definitely a place for the children to be and amused easily.
Yes, we want them to come back. I want them to be happy. We want them to have a smile on their face when they come in and when they leave.
I'm going to ask the Mrs. part of the equation here. You have children.
Yes.
How young an age should children be visiting a dentist?
Typically, it's recommended by 1-year-old or when they first actually get their teeth, which a lot of people are not aware of. We recommend that at least that they come in and they're exposed to the environment so that it's a pleasant visit and that they're taught the basics early on.
See, that to me is very important because some people wouldn't say, oh, not until they have teeth, but they start getting their teeth.
Well, sure, yeah. Even I've had patients bring them in at 6 months. You know, it's nice for the parents to be concerned and know the right time and the place to take them. So.
And it's also comfortable because now the child grows up with.
Right.
I go there. This is just like going to my doctor's office.
Right.
It's not. It's okay.
Simple procedures. They get their teeth brushed so they don't have any fear, and that way we keep an eye on them as they grow, so they don't come in at 5 years old with a whole bunch of cavities in their mouth. So it's a preventative. It's a good preventative for them as well.
Well, I think that's a great attitude and way of handling that. You know. Now we have other areas that we want to visit. Can we take a walk to? There's a sitting area here, and there's an area that you're going to redo or renovate.
Yes, actually, we are adding one more thing that we're going to help the community with, which is the Career Enhancement School.
Let's go take a look at it.
Let's go. These are one of the high-end technology items that we mentioned earlier. This is a 3D machine that can show us a complete 3D of your jaw. We can literally see your teeth the way they are, the nerve, the sinus in a 3D model. Now, it's not only 3D, it's not only X-ray, it's the only green 3D machine in the market. That means you have the lowest exposure of any X-ray machine on the market, and they call it the green 3D machine.
Wow. So, because, you know, sometimes a person will say, oh, I have a terrible toothache, but it might not be the tooth. It might be the sinuses.
Absolutely. Might be the sinuses, might be stress, might be other avenue. This will enable us to see the whole surrounding area if we cannot find the dental pain. And actually what it helps the most is the guided surgery for implant, where we can put the implant without with our eyes closed, literally, which we won't do, but because this will guide us where's the nerve, where's the vital items in the body that we will make sure to not to damage when we're placing any implant.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Let's continue.
All right, let's go to the training center.
Okay, this is just right now a large room. You're going to turn this into a training center?
Yes, this is going to be our actually addition to the community where we're going to do a career enhancement school. The career enhancement school, we will bring in people who would like to enter the industry as a dental assistant, dental front desk, or dental managers, and we will do a career enhancement school 8 to 12 weeks free of charge, so we can introduce these people to the industry and try to have them find a job in the dental industry. It helped us bringing in talent in our company. It helped the community to get these people job they can earn a good living and help their family. And it helped the city of Addison as well.
And is there, first of all, is there a cost to this training program? And then is there a certification?
There is a certification. It's going to be a career enhancement certification provided by us. There will be, the only cost will be is the cost of gas that you're going to have to drive the car here. It's going to be free of charge, include all food and drink during the class, will be all free of charge.
So this is at no cost to somebody who may want to learn the field or the technology
Yes.
of today in dentistry, but doesn't have the financial means.
Exactly. We want to help people who cannot have the means to go to college and cannot have the means to go to these expensive training facility. We will do it for them for free because I think taking somebody's hand in need, eventually it will pay back for the community. They will be a better part of the community. They will be better family members because they will be able to provide to their family, and that will have a domino effect because you're building a life of a person by helping them get on their feet and get the right career.
And if they can start off, say, as a dental hygienist, now they have an income. And if they want to go on to education, now they have an income that can provide them the funding for an education in the future.
I need to correct. Dental hygienist we don't provide because that has to go to college and that has to be, but it's going to be dental assistant, dental front desk, and dental managers. And then when the dental offices can have a choice of sending them when they find a job to do a certified or four-handed because you have to have a 6 month in the business before you get certification, which is, we will help them with all this. And then if they decide to go to dental hygiene school or they like it so much, they want to be dentist, we're all for it. Actually, so many of my staff, they started as patients and they come in and they enjoy it so much. And now we have as dentists, we have them as managers, we have them as dental hygienists because they start coming when they are 10, 15 years old, and now they are working for First Family Dental as dentists or hygienists or dental assistant.
They became part of the First Family Dental family.
Absolutely. We are.
Now, how many people will you be able to work with in this area? It's a nice size area.
Each class will be about 20 people. And we were just talking to the mayor, and we will be able to get a poll from with the help of the city, where identify people who need a job or who's looking for a new career, and we can interview them, and we will basically pick 20 per class, and will be 3 different classes. Will be a dental assistant class, will be dental management class, and will be a dental front desk class as well.
So, Dr. Aboud, if somebody is interested and wants to find out a little bit more about this educational program, this training program, how would they contact you?
They can either stop by or they can call the office at 630-833-8888. We're located at 120 East Lake Street. And the staff will be very helpful, and they will give them all the information, or they can leave their phone number, and somebody from the management office will call them and get them set up for this kind of program.
Now, we want to see one other area because you also have probably a lecture portion of this training program, and you have a very nice sitting area where you do that. Everything is very relaxing here. All right, we're here in kind of a relaxed sitting area with like a little mini type of kitchen and coffee service. This is for your trainees?
Yes. So when they are done with the class or in the break time, they have some refreshment, coffee. They can enjoy each other's company. They can talk to each other. They can digest the information they just got. So this is a relaxed area for them because we want to make it easy. We don't want them to feel just because they don't pay for it, they don't have a better service. We want to make sure we compete with the best colleges in town in the way we treat our students, because we want them to be successful. It's a recommendation for us that when we see them successful, it's a great feeling.
Well, that's a pat on your back, because if they're successful, that's to your credit here. Now, you have going to be 15 locations. The 15th is getting ready to open.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
We need to know where they are and a little bit about them. And
You know, you can find our location through our website, firstfamilydental.com. We have a very sophisticated, easy to navigate website that we work very hard on it, our marketing department, to make it easy for people to look for the location. They can put your zip code. They will tell you what office is close to you. You can put, you can call. We have a call center on the website. If you cannot navigate through the website, they can help you. Some person will answer you. If it's, or you can leave the message. They can call you back if they are not there. We make everything possible to make it easy. We work very hard on it. That way, so we don't have any, area that some people, they want to find as they can. So
you are Vicky. You
Yes.
are the,
Marketing director of the company.
and here we have Anna, I believe. Anna,
I'm
you
the
are.
general manager of First Family Dental.
So you're probably the first person that, well, no, the first person is the reception area. And then they come see you, because I saw you sitting like just outside the door there.
Well, since we have a free clinic day, I was sitting out to help patients as much as I can. But each office does have an office manager, and I basically oversee our operation level of that.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you. I have a very different question. I want to know, where was the first Family Dental?
Well, First Family Dental was founded in 1996 in Andersonville neighborhood in Chicago, Clark and Summerdale. The location still exists. It's a lovely location, and we are that's where we start feeling the neighborhood feel. We participate in every single street festival Andersonville since 1996 until today. We are a big part of the community. We contribute and we serve patients as well. We feel we are in the service sector, so we take and we give. And giving back to the community, that's our logo. When we are in a community, we want to be part of that community. We are First Family Dental of Addison. We're not the company that located in Texas or somewhere. We are here because we are First Family of Addison. We're part of Addison. We want to contribute to the city of Addison. We want to support the community effort in improving this city, because lifting up the city lifts us our business and make us a better partner as well. So thank you. Thank you for coming, Mayor.
We
Thank you.
appreciate it. And Mayor, I think we're going to see them at a lot of our community events.
I think so. When I hear we want to be part of the community, that's all we need to hear. We will definitely take you up on that. And again, we're proud that you're part of our community, and welcome to Addison.
With honor, of course.
Thank you for joining us. I'm Lucille Zucchero here at First Family Dental in Addison at 120 East Lake Street.